everyone, today I have something to show you. I got a little treat for myself. It's the TES100 soldering iron. I read the article on Hacker Day and it's an open source soldering iron. I know I didn't need that, but I wanted to get it, so I get it. Let me take a look, let me unbox it. So this is the gray case, and this is the soldering iron. I think the gray case is kind of boring, so I'm going to switch that to another case. I got another case for it. I got a clear case for this, so I'm going to change it now. This one, I think I need another screw for this, so what is it? This one is kind of like a star shape. I don't know what you call it. Star shape screw. So I use this tool instead of my fingernail because if I use my fingernail, I probably will tear all of them apart. There are more screws inside, so let's put other tools. Okay, let's try it out. So I need more new LED pigtail rings, and I guess this is a good chance for me to demonstrate the TS100 soldering iron. I've got this controller here. There is no RF remote, and it's just very simple, cheap controller. I'm not even using the Arduino. So, but first I need to cut the heated shrink tube here. It's a very delicate work, gotta be careful. Don't want to cut into the wire and the PCB board. So you see on the board there are 3 buttons here, and I'm going to replace the heated shrimping tool with the black one because it matched with my hair color. I can cover the wire and hide it in my hair. this a bit snug. Okay, now I have to use my hot gun to shrink it. Going to set this aside to let it cool off. So this is what it looks like now. Okay, let me just test it first because sometimes I'm a little clumsy and I destroy things. Let's plug in the LED strip so that I could test this, see if it's okay. So the LED lights up, it means it's all good. This away first. Oh, what's next? Next we are going to I'm going to cut this wire and then solder them together. So I'm going to use the flush cutter to cut them both at the same time. And then I'm going to use the wire stripper to strip wires. So, and then I'm going to tin it. You know, a lot of times I forget to tin it, but this time I remember. So now I'm going to plug in my soldering iron. And once I press the button, it's going to heat up automatically. I thought I bought the stand for my new soldering iron, but I guess I didn't. It never arrived, so I need to take a look later. And my old filter broke, so I bought a new one online, but it hasn't arrived yet. I know the fuse is bad, but don't worry, the new filter is on the way. I'm going to put the small heat tension tube on the wires. So I'm going to put the little tube on the battery pack. Gun again and then shrink it. Of course, not done. I still have to, you know, group them together like this. I put a little wires to connect the battery pack and the board, and then I'm going to use the hot glue to attach the board to the battery pack. So it has been a few days. I was busy doing other stuff, but now let's get back to what we were doing. Last time I made the battery pack, I glued them together, and this time I'm going to show you how I made the LED pigtail rings. And before I do that, I also want to show you the earrings I made. It's the same principle as the LED pigtail rings. At the back, the difference is I put some epoxy glues on the top because the wire is not strong enough. So from here you can see. And I used the Chinese silicone wire instead of. Actually, I have, you know what? I have the really nice clear wire from Adafruit. But it's really hard to get in China. But if you are in US, I strongly suggest you to get some from them because this quality is really nice. I usually save all the Adafruit stuff in a box in case I'm going to make something really nice and show up with them. I will use the Adafruit stuff. But this time I'm just going to use the Chinese silicone wire. It's cheap and it's easy to get here. Don't use the ordinary. Wire. Don't use the one because they're very stiff and they might pull your hair. Your hair might strength in the wire, so don't use this kind. And at this part that where you connect with the battery pack, I use this one. I put some silicone patty on the top. And this is actually called the shoe group. When I put it on, it takes off some stress from the wire. And the choker, it can handle the weight of the battery when I put it on. So this is the soldering version. I just put some shoe group after I solder them. And same thing over here. So I'm going to make this version this time. I'm going to cut up some wires. Still messy, my workbench. I'm just going to separate the wires. Use my wire stripper to strip the line, and then I'm just going to tin the wires before I do the soldering. Get the LED rings. So we've got the LED rings in here. And I don't actually need all the pins here, so I'm going to remove one of them. So I'm going to remove the last one. Alright, so we have 3 pins left. short out. Right now they're both working. I ordered some sugru on Taobao, so I'm just waiting for them to arrive. Then I can put it on. Then it will be finished. So my sugru finally arrived. Actually, this one is called Spawi. It's a Shanzai version of sugru. I feel kind of bad. First, I cannot afford it. If I could, I would definitely buy the real stuff. So if you are going to get some, definitely buy it from her, because she, the inventor, she's a very cool lady. Okay, this one we are going to use it on. We're going to put it on the LED rings where we do the soldering here, and also at the end here. To prevent it from to break away. But first, I have to break up the side. This stuff is really cool. It's like clay and Play-Doh. It's quite sticky. So I suggest to use gloves when you put this on. The silicone padding really, helps from help the wire from breaking away. And it can cover the bare wire. I really like it. It's super useful. Okay, now we just need to wait till after 10 hours. I will come back and check it out.